Hey, I'm Sean Shapiro, and you found the right place if you're looking for the G1 course. Or is it the G course? It's the course for the Ontario Driver's Handbook. Basically, what I'm going to do is read it to you, and then we're going to discuss it chapter by chapter as we go. Small, bite-sized pieces, easy to chew, nothing overwhelming. The goal isn't to sit and cram. It's about absorbing information, not just reading it and moving on, but talking about it, having some discussion, some dialogue, some stories to make it a little more interesting, to make it stick. Now, the course isn't ready. I'm going and reading it every day, recording it, editing it, and posting it. First one should be coming out Friday. That's the plan. And every week we'll have at least one video, if not 2 or 3, depending on how busy I am and how much I can get done. The goal is to get through as quickly as possible from my end so it's available as a resource for you. But there's no rush for you to do it in one shot. The other thing that I'm doing is for those who are not native English speakers. I will also be producing this in other languages. How am I doing that? AI, it's amazing. I will actually be creating an AI avatar of myself who will then read it in other languages. And if you want to see something that looks very strange, it'll be some level of sounding similar to my voice with this face speaking in other languages. So it's really cool. So if you're worried about English as the language and it's hard for you, don't worry, because we're going to help you in other languages too. It's just another cool thing we can do to help you. All right. This is the intro. The first chapter will come out at the end of the week. This is just a placeholder so you know where it's going to be and know that you found the right place. Have a great day. Stay safe. And if you don't have a license, don't drive. Take care.